See, yes, yesterday up to page number 45 we completed. Today from page number 46 and 47, 48, all three 2.5 page. Okay, three pages I will complete. Nothing but we are going to wind up this chapter today itself. Okay, yes. See, my dear kids, what happened? Just in flash, I will narrate this story in a brief. Both of them, who the Donalora and Gonzalo, these both the characters. 1 minute. Yes. These both characters, what they did, what they were doing, they were annoyed andre, yes, with each other. They were annoyed, they were not happy. After that, what happened? They started to do the humorous conversation. Sometimes we feel to laugh, sometimes we see their friendly conversation also. They were annoyed also, they were okay, pointing their mistakes themselves. Then one more thing we learned here. Donna Laura, she scolded very badly to the Don Gonzalo that you are a very ill-natured man. Now she is sitting with him. Now she feels comfort with Don Gonzalo. This is the story. Okay, part 1, part 2, and part 3. Then one more thing we learned. They started to spin the fictitious story. Spin anta helidre nanile neyu anta. Okay, very good. Who both of them, not only one here, both characters, they started to spin the fictitious stories about themselves, not about others. They are narrating the story, the fictitious story about themselves, not others. Okay. Then one more thing we learned here. They were sharing their own feelings. Means while they were narrating the fictitious story about themselves, they were expressing their own feelings. Okay. One more thing, what we learned here, they are justifying themselves, their stories. Okay. Let me start today's now. See, both of them, they are not disclosing their reality. What? Donna Laura aside means she is speaking herself, monologue. Okay. That I will not tell him, means I will not tell this person that I am that lady. I am that lady also, and I got married 2 years later. She is not ready to disclose. The same thing here. Don Gonzalo aside means am I audible? Hello? Am I audible? Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. See, my dear kids, children, see here. Now, Donna Laura and Gonzalo both are not ready to reveal their secret that they ran away, they were separated, and they got married to somebody else. Both are not ready to reveal. Why they are not ready to reveal? If they reveal, some chances were there. Both they will start to fight each other. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Yes, ಜಗಳಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ದಾರಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next, see here. Now Donna Laura started to speak. Okay, fate is curious. Now she started to say, the fate is curious. What does it mean? What does it mean? Yes, curious andre unusual, strange. Okay, unusual anta, unusual anta. The fate, ವಿಧಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. Okay, ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂತ. Here are you and I. Ibru kuda strange now. We are a strange sitting on the same bench. Completely we are the strangers. Met by chance. Ibru barbeku anta bandilla. By chance we are sitting on the same bench and we started to discuss as an enemy, as a strangers. Now what happened? We are sharing our feelings like a romance of old friends. How we are sharing? We are discussing about our old friends long ago, what they had done. Today we are discussing. We have been conversing if we were like a old friends. Now kuda heg matarta idivi. We are acting like a old friends. We are speaking about our old friends. She was my best friend and he was your cousin. Okay, both love story we were discussing, but the thing is that after this conversation, what happened here? It seems we were very old friends. Yes, 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 madam. You are saying very right. It is curious. Curious means strange. ಹೌದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿನೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ill-natured man. See, you started your conversation means Don Gonzalo, he is not, see, already in the beginning I told you, he is an impatient person. Avani patience illa. So, Don Gonzalo, again he started. See, there, now the conversation was moving very healthy. The conversation is moving healthy. Now what happened here? Suddenly, Don Gonzalo, again he said, yes, yes, madam, yes, it is very strange, unusual. I know. You started your conversation by saying, by pointing me, an ill-natured man ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? Yes, yes, I said, that's right, because you scared away my birds. ಹೌದು, I told you, because you scared away my birds. Yes, madam, I was unreasonable. ನಾನು ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಕಣ್ರಿ. I was unreasonable. I was helpless, means unhelpful ಅಂತ. Unhelpful means what? Because I can't lift my legs properly. That is the reason the birds scared away. I did not do purposely. Okay, purposely is the right word, not purposefully. Okay, I did not do it purposely. That is the reason, ma'am. Then she said, yes, yes, yes. That was evident. Then happily means with a smiling face, sweetly means ಬಹಳ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ she is asking. Just imagine, if you want to call somebody to your home for a dinner or a lunch or any party, no? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕರೀತೀರಾ? ಸಂತೋಷದಿಂದ ನಗು ಮುಖನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್, will you come to my home, sir, for today's party? Okay, those sentence, those words will impress. If I am not willing to come also, by your sentence or by your statement, what will happen? It will touch my heart and I will try to come it. The same thing here. Now she is asking, are you coming again tomorrow? See, this is the very punching point of this story. Now she is asking to the, directly she is asking, are you coming tomorrow, sir? He said, most certainly, ನಿಜವಾಗಿಯೂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. If it is a sunny morning, this is the condition of Don Gonzalo. He said, if it is a sunny morning ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. This is our chapter title name. Yes, if it is a sunny morning, sure I will come, and not only will I not scare away the birds, but I will bring, not only I anta nodi, means I will not come alone. While I come, what I do, I will bring some few breadcrumbs. I will bring some breadcrumbs for those pigeons whom you are feeding today. Is it clear? Very good. Okay, what happened now here? She asked to the Don Gonzalo whether will you come tomorrow or not. He said, yes, I will come. Most certainly means I will come. Positively he replied, I will come. What time? If it is a sunny, with condition he said, if it is a sunny morning, then only I will come, madam, otherwise I won't come. Then she said, thank you so much for this. Thank you very much. Birds, see why she said thank you? Because he is ready to come with the breadcrumbs. She said, birds are very grateful and repay attention to you. I wonder where my maid is. Where is Petra? Who is maid? Petra ನನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. She signals for her maid. She turns towards the right side and she was calling to Petra. The same time, Don Gonzalo aside looking at Clara. When she turned the right side, what happened here? He was seeing her love, her beloved, his beloved. Okay, ತನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಯತಮನನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಣ್ಣು ತುಂಬ ನೋಡಿ, no. See there is a very punching line, punching sentences. Okay, paragraph of these dialogues of these part. This is the fourth part. Very okay. It will touch your heart. See there what he said. No. He is saying himself. Don Gonzalo really he felt very bad because both of them they are not disclosing their they are not revealing their secret. Okay, secret and reveal ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. I will not reveal myself. He said himself. No, 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 no. I will not reveal that I am that gallant lover. I will not reveal. Why I will not reveal? Because I am what? Because I am Godstrick. Godstrick means what you know? Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ means not handsome. What does it mean? Not handsome. Not handsome. Today I reached old age. Yeah, he's thinking himself. I reached old age. If I reveal myself that I am that gallant lover, how she feels? She feels very bad. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಕ್ರೂರ ರೂಪಿ ಅಂತ ಮುಖವನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಇವನಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸತ್ತೆ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿವೀಲ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ನಾವ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಶಿ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ದಿ ಗ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಲವರ್ gallant husband who passed daily beneath her window tossing flowers. Let her imagine herself that her love was a gallant lover, nothing but a horseman. I should not reveal, I should not reveal. Then same time Donna Laura loudly she said, here she comes. Here she means here a maid. Petra comes. Oh, here Petra comes. Here Petra comes. Here Petra comes. Oh, then he also said, same time Don Gonzalo. Oh, where is my servant? Jonacho, he always plays havoc under game anta. Game means time pass. He kills a time with nursemaids means women's. Understood all of you? ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಬರೀ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ ಇವಂದು. ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿ? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? This line? Yes. What he said about Jonato, about his servant, he always plays a game means nothing but he always kills his time with nursemaid means the women, those who come to the path. Okay, it's clear. Same time what happened here when Don Gonzalo turned towards the Jonato, Donna Lara, she was looking towards Gonzalo. When he turns, okay, not face to face. Don Gonzalo turned towards the Jonato. That time Donna Lara, no, I will not reveal. No, I will not reveal myself. I am too sadly changed. ನನ್ನ ಮುಖ ಹೇಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. That beauty is not there because Don Gonzalo said, this is ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಾನೆ, the God has created her. ಇದು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಪೀಸ್ ರೀ ಅಂತ ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದ್ಲು. The silver maiden was a masterpiece ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. That is the reason the Donna Lara she was not ready to reveal herself. It is better. ಇದು ಸರಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಏನಂತ? He should remember me as a black-eyed girl tossing flowers. He passed among the roses in the garden. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Daily he used to pass by that garden. She used to toss the flowers. And by the afternoon, he used to toss the flowers. She used to catch the flowers by her window. This was the scene. Then the same time, Jonato enters by right. Means what does it mean? Jonato came, Petra also came. Just imagine, this is the chair. Ide chair ankadi, ibru kutkondidavre. Okay, now both are there here. Now the Jonato came from left side. Then our Petra came from this side. That's all. This is the scene. Okay. Now what happened here? The Petra, while she was coming, okay, she has a bunch of violets in her hand. Petra ಬರುವ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ violets ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೂ ಗೊಂಚಲುವನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾಳೆ. Means ordinary flowers which you get in the garden. Is it clear, my dear children? We are in the last page of our.
See there. Well, Petra. Well. Very important now. Well, Petra, well, at last go bandbitte alva Petra, very good. Then Don Gonzalo said, Jonato, you are very late, man, very late. Then the Petra came near to the Don Gonzalo, to the Donna Lara. Petra tana yajamani hatra bartale. Who is the owner of Petra? Donna Lara. And she came, she hand over the violets. Madam, take these violets. Why? The God gave you. Yaar kotidu? Security guard, madam, for you. This is for you from my security guard. Then Donalora said, oh, how very nice. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸುಂದರವಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳು ಅಂತ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಾಗ್ನೆಂಟ್. ಸುಗಂಧ ಭರಿತವಾಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ thankful to the security guard that he has given me, he has gifted me the violets. ಹೂಗೊಂಚಲನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ. Then she takes the violet from her maid, from Petra, and few losers, very important one now. Few losers ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದವು ಅಂತ. Losers on the ground. How? While the Donalora, she was carrying those violets from Petra, some fell down on the ground ಅಂತ. Very good. Next, my dear lady, this has been a great honor and a great pleasure. See that this is the moment of farewell. Farewell ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗುವ ಸಮಯ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ. It was very near. Both of them, they are ready to move to their places, to their destinations. Okay, the park is not their destination. Park is a place where they can spend for some time. The time is over now. Now they are moving to their home. See there, Don Gonzalo said, my dear lady, this has been a great honor and a great pleasure to me to have the conversation with you anta. ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಲ ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ದಟ್ ಐ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ this much time with you. I am very thankful and great honor to you because you given me the company. ನನಗೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Then the Donalora replied, it has also been a pleasure to me. Not only to you, it has also been a pleasure to me. ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ sir, it has also been a pleasure to me. ನನಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. I am also very happy. Goodbye. See there, both of them, goodbye until tomorrow. See the punching of Don Gonzalo. ನಾಳೆವರೆಗೂ ಮಾತ್ರ good morning madam, goodbye. Then she said, yes, until tomorrow, goodbye. Tomorrow means, what does it mean? Tomorrow both they decided to meet. Yes. Then the Don Gonzalo replied, yes, tomorrow, yes, I will come if it is sunny morning. Is a condition. Sunny morning idre matra bartini madam anta. Okay, very good. Then Donalora, yes, I remember a sunny morning. I remember a sunny morning. I remember, don't worry, I remember. Will you go to your bench tomorrow? She raised a question. Yes or no question, interrogative sentence. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಯನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Donalora asked a question to the Don Gonzalo, will you go to your bench tomorrow? ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ ಅಂತ. No, he said, no, I will come to this. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಚಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ if you don't object. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಭ್ಯಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I will come and sit with you ಅಂತ. Indirectly, it shows both they did not reveal their secret, but they understood, but they come to know themselves, okay, that she is the silver maiden and he is the gallant lover. Both they know the secret, but they are not ready to reveal. You know the reasons, because already he reached old age and his facial expression and he is not good looking. And the same thing about our Donalora also. She said herself, I am not that much beautiful what he expressed. So both are not ready to reveal. Then the Donalora said, enta maatane nodi madam, if you did not object, ನಿಮಗೇನು ಅಭ್ಯಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tomorrow I will come and sit with you ಅಂತ. Then she said, yes, obviously, happily, this bench is at your disposal. What is the meaning of disposal? Disposal means for you. This bench is for you. What does it mean? This bench for you means, yes, this bench is for you. She said, this bench is for you means in Kannada, ಇದು ನಿಮಗಾಗಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾಳೆ ನಿಮ್ಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಬೆಂಚು, ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಕ್ವೈರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೂರ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಕ್ರಮ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಲೋನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಮ್ಸ್. ನಾಳೆ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ಕ್ರಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸನಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. Then tomorrow, yes, we will meet tomorrow. Then. Okay, then what happened here? We are in the last, okay, we are in the last. Yes, Laura walks away towards the right. Now what happened? Both they were sitting, got up from that place. Some of, okay, violets were lying here. Okay, fall down now while she was taking. Here, Jonato, here Petra is there. Now she started to move, he started to move this side. Laura walks away towards the right side. Right side ಗೆ ತನ್ನ right side, ಅವಳ right side ಅದೇ ಆಯ್ತಾ. She was moving the right side of there, supported by her maid. Supported by her maid ಅಂದ್ರೆ now the Petra and Donal are both okay. Yes, she is taking help. She is totally depending because they reached 70 years old. She can't walk properly. She need a help of one person. So that is the reason now the Donalara, she is moving with her maid, with the support, Donalara, Laura and the maid. Then the Gonzalo, before leaving with Jonato, Gonzalo ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, but he did not. He was trembling with a great effort, because he reached 70 years old. We already come to know that he is having the knee problem. He can't lift his leg. That is the reason. Now what happened here? The Gonzalo, he bent himself. Stoops means bent. ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವನ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. With a great effort, Don Gonzalo bent to himself. Why he know? To pick up the violets which was fallen there. By whom? By Laura. Laura dropped some violets on the ground, nothing but in the park. That is the reason. ಅದೇ ಹೇಳೋದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ, ಅವಳ ನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ ಆಧಾರ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು what happened here? He was putting his great effort to get those violets. He bent down. Then the same time the Laura turns. ಅದೇ ಸಮಯಕ್ಕೆ Laura, she turns to see why Don Gonzalo is trembling. Then the Donna Laura turns her head and surprises him picking up the flowers. ಅವಾಗ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ. Yes, he ಅಂತ. What are you doing, sir? Senor means sir. Then the Jonato is asking, what are you doing, sir? ಎದ್ದೇಳಿ ಯಜಮಾನ್ರೆ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Then the Gonzalo said, wait Jonato, wait, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಾಳಪ್ಪ, ಆ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎತ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. Then Donalara, she was watching everything and she herself said, okay, ಮನ್ಸಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ, yes, it is he. ಹೌದು, ಇವನು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಯತಮ ಅಂತ. Okay, this is the end of this chapter. The same time, what happened now here? Then the Don Gonzalo also, he looked towards her face, and when she turned, he said, yes, it is she. Avale avulu anta. No mistake. There is no doubt now. He is Don Gonzalo and she is Donalara. Then both of them farewell andre ibru kuda bye, see you soon, tomorrow we will meet. Then Donalara said, can it be that this is he? ಅವನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes, ಅವನೇ. ಓ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವೇ, is it she? ಅವಳೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾಕೆ ಹೀಗಾಯ್ತು ನಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅಂತ both of them they said. And at last they smiled each other once more. ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಮೈಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? This is the farewell ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತೀರಾ, ಅಗಲ means they are moving from park to their places, to their native place, to their house. Same time, at last scene was they were smiling each other. Ibru kuda mukhavana nodkondu they smile each other. How you know? If she were again at the window. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ವಿಂಡೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು she used to give the smile to the gallant lover like that. And he, our hero, below in the rose garden, ಆ rose garden ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು, and then the both of them disappeared upon the arms of their servants. Ibru kuda they disappeared means they step out from the park. Both of them means both of them they wave the farewell. This is the end of this sunny morning. Okay, actually it is very popular, and those brothers are called as in the golden boys anta karita idru avruna. Yaru? the Seraphine and Jacqueline. Both are called as in the golden boys because they are from the Madrid. ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಡ್ರಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಥೆರಾನಿಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಶೋಕ ಗೀತೆ ಅಂತ, ಸಾಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಮಿಟೇಷನ್. ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ದಿ ರೈಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವೇರ್ when she ran away near the beach. When she ran towards the beach, ಬೀಚಿಗೆ ಓಡೋದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಆ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಆ ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಅಲೆಗಳು ಶೋಕ ಗೀತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಡ್ಕಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂತ. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಗೌಟಿ, ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು whom he addressed here, this word is addressed to our Don Gonzalo. Because Don Gonzalo, he reached a very old age. Okay, joints pain ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ. Okay, next one, Arakawa, this is a place where he used to go to hunt. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Yes. This is the city of Madrid only. Madrid ನ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ. Okay, this word, okay, bodho ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, this word used by the writer here when the Donalara as a evidence, she said, I will show you tiger's skin on my room. Which room? That is a private room. Next, Valencia, the third largest city of Spain. Okay, means deserted. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ನನ್ನ ಮುಖ ಬಹಳ ಕೆಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದೆ, I can't show my this ಅಂತ. Duel means that is a fight ಅಂತ. Okay, it means they use the guns and swords in order to settle a quarrel ಅಂತ. That is a very bad fight happened in between whom? Between gallant lover and merchant. Gallant lover and merchant. See there. Next, all poets' names are there. All 4 poet names are there here. Campomer, Bunn. My dear kids, children, see there. Campomer, then Espronceda, then Zorilla, then Becker. These all 4 are the poets, famous Spanish poets. 19th century 19th ಶತಮಾನದ 4 famous poets of that. Okay, very good.